My name is Siri, and today I'm going to be making Rocky Road Fudge, and it is also gluten-free, so that is awesome. It is for Valentine's Day, but now I'm going to show you guys the items you will need for this gluten-free Rocky Road Fudge. Alright, the items you need are 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a cup of mini marshmallows, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, sweetened condensed milk. You only need 1 can of it. You will also need about a handful or half a cup of chopped walnuts. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make the fudge. I also have another little surprise for you guys. In this video, I'm also going to show you guys how to make truffles out of the same recipe. Alright, now I'm going to put some of my ingredients in the bowl. And you also want to make sure that you have a microwave safe bowl. Alright, so I'm going to put my chocolate chips in. I think I'll put my butter, and my sweetened condensed milk. There's so much of it. Alright, I think I scraped it out good enough. Now you need to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds on medium, and then after the 30 seconds is done, stir it, and then put it back in, and continue to do that until the chocolate is melted, or everything is melted. Alright, now I'm going to put mine in the microwave. Alright, I melted all my ingredients so that I could make my fudge. And I took half out for my truffles, and that has to go in the refrigerator so you can actually roll it into truffles. But now I'm going to show you how to make your Rocky Road Fudge. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take either your walnuts or your mini marshmallows. I'm taking my mini marshmallows. I'm going to put them in. And then I'm going to mix it up. Just to let you know, it is a little bit harder to mix. Because it is a little bit sticky and like thick, but I think you guys will be able to mix it. Alright, I think it is almost all mixed up. Alright, I think it is mixed enough now, and I chose to use a glass container, so I'm going to put it in my glass container. And it's pretty thick, so put it, you kind of have to spread it out in your container. It looks so yummy. Alright, I'm going to spread mine out. Alright, I think it's pretty much done. Alright, you need to put this in the fridge for a couple of hours, and you also need to cover it. So I'm going to cover mine. You also need to do the same with the ones that you're going to, or the fudge that you're going to use for your truffles. And you need to put this one in the fridge until it hardens. Like I said, that'll take a couple hours. And now I'm going to put mine in the fridge. Alright, I let my fudge sit overnight since I made it yesterday evening. And it is hard enough to cut out of the container and eat. So I'm going to take it out of the container and cut it into pieces and put it in this cute little gift box to give away for Valentine's Day. Alright, I cut my fudge into pieces, and each piece I put in this cute little pink cupcake liner, and I put it into this gift box. You can get these at Hobby Lobby, which is where I got it, or a craft store. And then I tied it with a bow, and it is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Alright, now let's get on to the truffles. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to make the truffles. The first thing you want to do is take a spoon or like a melon ball or something and get about this much fudge and put it in your hand. About this much. And kind of just shape it. And then, I think that's about good enough. The first one I'm going to do is roll it into coconut, because I have coconut, I have silver sprinkles, I have gold sprinkles, I have red sprinkles, I also have like white pearl sprinkles, and I also have just not colored coconut, just regular coconut. So I'm going to roll it in the pink coconut. It looks good already. Alright, I think I rolled it good enough. Now I'm going to put it in one of these little cupcake liners. Just like that. I'm going to put it down. Now I'm going to make another one. I'm going to roll it. You can roll it or mold it. I'm going to roll it in the gold sprinkles. This one looks really good too. Put it in there. And I'm going to make another one. Which one should I make this time? I think I'll do the red sprinkles for Valentine's Day. And the ball does not have to be a perfectly round ball. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. It kind of just looks like that. And I'll show you guys this one too if you didn't see it. And since I already showed you the pink coconut one, I don't have to show it to you. I have made about half my truffles, and I rolled them in the toppings that I had, but you can use whatever you'd like. And I'm going to put them in a gift box so that I can give them away for Valentine's Day. Alright, I have boxed up some of my truffles and some of my fudge. And this is what this one with the fudge and the truffles looks like. This is the one with just the truffles. And this is the one with just the fudge. Now I'm gonna put a bow on this one. I'm gonna put it in the corner right here. I'm just going to go like this, put it down. That looks super cute. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!